What's the meaning of crazy quilt? Crazy quilt. Crazy quilt.
Crazy quilt. Crazy quilt. A crazy quilt is a type of patchwork quilt that is made up of irregularly shaped pieces of fabric stitched together in a seemingly random arrangement. Unlike traditional quilts, crazy quilts do not follow a set pattern or design, and often incorporate a wide variety of different fabrics, textures, and colors. The result is a visually complex and dynamic quilt that can be both striking and unique. Crazy quilts were popular in the late 19th century, and remain a popular form of quilt making today.